everyone, today's video is going to be me decluttering and somewhat cleaning my fridge back here. So this fridge is our main fridge. We have a tiny kitchen, and as you have seen, or maybe you haven't seen, I'm redoing our pantry room, and we just got a fridge for there. So imagine being a family of 6 now and having one tiny fridge and a tiny kitchen. It's been a mess. So I'm taking 15 minutes to see what I can do, and then hopefully that inspires you to pick a project that's been getting on your nerves in your house or whatever space there is, and take 15 minutes to see if you can get it done. So, you ready? All right, let's go. And by the way, I'm Camille. I'm a mom of 4, and my channel is all about getting things done in 15 minutes or less. I really believe that small wins lead to big changes. And so I record what I do on a daily basis just to show you that if I can do it, you can do it too. Oh my gosh, this is like a science experiment. They're like, that's been in there. Oh my gosh. I got 1 minute left. You in here watching me? Yeah. This is for my channel. Ooh, this is nasty. Oh, cause I'm out of time. Okay, so I'm gonna give myself another 5 minutes to clean the nasty that with all that in the back, and then this other thing, and then to put stuff back. So I'm gonna reset the clock to give me 20 minutes. my God. Can y'all see that? Woo, child, I definitely ain't gonna get that in 5 minutes, but I'll do my best. Woo, baby. Oh, no. That needs to marinate. I'm definitely using most of my whites, but no. Woo. Oh, I'm gonna have to come back to this. Okay, so I did not get to the freezer or the door, but this is what I got to, and I'm pretty proud of what I could do. So let me show you. Okay, that looks way better, wouldn't you say? We don't have gross putridness at the bottom. I mean, a little bit, I guess, but so yeah, I'm pretty proud of that. Again, I'm gonna have to come up with a system for the fruits and vegetables down there. It's probably just going to be prepping them and putting them in containers, but that looks good. Again, I didn't get here or the freezer. I took some of the things and moved them, but I'll have to do that another time. Okay, so that was about 20 minutes. I didn't get to everything, but that's okay. And again, you know, the point of this channel is to show you what you can do in 15 minutes. And I put a big dent in it. So I'm happy with the progress that I made today. So what I ultimately want to do is obviously do a deep clean, finish decluttering everything and kind of organizing things, as well as get some bins, or find the ones. I think I have some, but I don't know where they are, you know. So I'll find some bins to store things in there, and then I'll come up with a plan for our new fridge to make sure that it doesn't become a crazy space like this one. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I almost forgot. And then I will see you in the next one.